channel. My name is Anthony. If you're new here, this is the Grind Motive, where we discuss finance, business, lifestyle, and entrepreneurship. Today, I'm just giving you a rundown on the day in the life. Got a couple orders going out. So right now I'm headed to go grab some boxes. We got 30 units going out today. Had a good day in sales. So yeah, come with me. Let me show you how this go down. So as of today, we are at 558 for the sales for the day. And on eBay, I have 2 items going out. So just from this one item that I am currently selling, I have had over 60 orders, and in total sales over 1,400 in total sales, with the average sales price of $23. So as you can see, this is from July the 6th until today. So it only just takes you one item. You find that one item, you just get going, and you keep replenishing it until it's no longer profitable. But as you have this one item that you're selling, you want to keep finding the items. You want to keep finding and just keep selling different items that can give you consistent growth like this. So for this item that I'm currently selling, I am making a return on investment of 53%, which is pretty decent. Normally you want to do 30 and nothing lower than 30%. So this is pretty decent. I only had 13 boxes at my storage unit, so we off to Walmart because they got some good prices for the sizes that I need. And just in general, if you can't find any free boxes, like on Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, things like that, or local businesses that have free boxes, look at Walmart. They got some great prices on the boxes. So yeah, let's go head up to Walmart. So 84 cents. Let me just grab a couple of these. Alright, so now once you get you a product and everything checks out, the ROI is profitable, there's proof of sales and consistent sales coming in. Once you do that and you get the product in hand and you get the orders coming through, that's the easy part. You got all that out the way. Great, congratulations. Now you gotta put that work in and get the orders out to the customers. This is the hardest part, I would say, about selling online. If it ain't drop shipping, if you're doing physical products and you get a lot, especially you want to kind of make sure that you stay away from large, overweight, heavy items, because that sucks and it takes the bigger they are, the longer it takes to get it boxed up. So key, stay away from large, unless it's very profitable, stay away from large oversized products. So yeah, I'm gonna get back with you guys in a second.
Taking the first step. So for you watchers out there right now who want to become
So this is the finished product after getting everything boxed up. So now we are on our way to ship them off to the UPS post office. If you really want it, you gotta go get it. And if you're comfortable, you're not growing. Let's get it. If you're watching this, you need some motivation, whatever you're going through, use that as your motivation. Nothing is gonna change unless you change it. You know what I'm saying? So get out here and go get it.
second trip of the day. I had a couple more sales on a few other different platforms. So I'm gonna drop this off, and then we headed to the gym because you gotta stay in shape and you gotta have mental health. So there's just other things you gotta include in your business, because if you ain't healthy, your business can't run by itself. So just gotta do that and stay consistent.
So currently we have 18 going out that I have to package up, and we have 14 that are pending. I believe in a few days is going to be Amazon Prime Day, so we should be doing heavy volume. So after I get these all finished up, I'm going to continue to look for more products to have available for customers for Prime Day, so I can make another video and report the results for that. So check it out, guys. The same item, I sold it for $25, and they proceeded to order with expedited shipping. So they paid $32.31 extra to get this to them, totaling out to $61.89. Nice, very nice.
Right now is the best time to get into e-commerce, whether that's physically shipping products like how I do, or drop shipping. I also do drop shipping as well. But don't miss out on this opportunity. This is one of the best times to get started right now. We are at the end of today's video. I just want to say I appreciate everyone who's supporting me, or if this is your first time watching, I appreciate you making it this far. Just taking some time out. This is one of my biggest goals. Just giving time out to say thanks. This is one of my biggest goals for a long time, is to get on YouTube and grind, share my life, bring value to other people, make an impact in other people's life. If you have any questions, just leave a comment. I'll be sure to get back to you. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're not subscribed. If this video, you have any interest on getting started, leave a comment, let me know, and however I can assist you, I will do that. But yeah, I appreciate you guys. I just want to share my life, how it goes down, what I do, and just bring you guys some good content. I'm going to keep being consistent, keep uploading and sharing new things with you guys. So yeah, that's the end of today's video. Thank you guys.